Alright guys, now we printed this hello world from this views. Okay, so we don't want to print from the views, we want to print this HTML from the template, right? So for that, what we used to do is just right click on the root folder Django Basics and create a new folder. Okay, create new folder and name it as templates. Okay, here the template folder is created. So in here again right click and new file, let's say home.html. Okay, alright, now the home.html file is created. So now we want to print the hello world from this template, okay, not from the views. Alright, so here let me say h3 again, and let me close this h3, hello world from template. Okay, now let's go to the views and say here, instead of this HTTP response, we should say return and render. Okay, and just remove this one. Okay, we don't want this now. We should pass the request. All right, and comma the template name. So in this case, what is the template name? home.html. So now what is happening? We are rendering the HTML here from this home.html page. Alright, save it. And one more thing you should remember is that we created this template folder, right? So as soon as you create template folder, you should first go to this settings.py file and you will see something called templates here. Okay, in this templates you see this dirs. This is the list, and here inside this open the single quotation and put that templates name and save this file. Okay, so let me take you to the URLs now. So the path is home, then it is going to the home view. Okay, this is the home function, and in this home function we are returning the HTML template. So if you notice here, we have used render function. Okay, so we should import that render function here. So Django space, sorry, this is from Django dot shortcuts import render. Okay, so now if you save this and go to the browser and say 127.0.0:8000, then this is loading hello world from template. Okay, so this is how we load templates. All right, thank you.